Hi everybody, today we're going to be playing a Skittle probability activity. So we'll be finding the likelihood of, or the probability of choosing a colour of Skittle from the whole collection of Skittles. So we have the number of Skittles of this colour in our table, total number of Skittles, probability as a fraction, probability as a decimal, and probability as a percentage. So all of our data is going to go into this table. To start with, we'll look at how many purple Skittles we have. So we have 5 Skittles that are purple. So 5 goes in this. How many orange? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 10 orange Skittles going into this column. Green. 5 green. 4 yellow. And 6 red. To find the total number of Skittles, we could count them all, or we can just add up our number of Skittles here. So our total is 30. So 30 goes in this column. To find the probability as a fraction, we'll go back to our fractions and decimal knowledge. Remember that the denominator is always the whole. So in this instance, 30 is our whole collection. So that'll be the denominator, and the numerator will be the part of the whole, which in this instance is 5. Now we can simplify this fraction to make it a bit easier to work with. So to do that, alright, 5/30. We'll find our greatest common factor, which in this case is 5. 5 times 1 is equal to 5, and 5 times 6 is equal to 30. So crossing out our common factors, and we're left with our new simplified fraction. So 1/6 is the same as 5/30. So 1/6. To find our decimal of 1/6, we can perform long division, as you may remember us doing, because 1/6 is the same as 1 divided by 6. So 1 divided by 6 is 6 goes into 1 0 times. So we're going to add some zeros onto the end of our 1 so that we can work into the tenths and hundredths place. 6 goes into 10 once. 6 times 1 is 6. 10 minus 6 is 4. We bring our 0 down. 6 goes into 40. 6 times 6 times 6 is 36. 40 minus 36 is 4. And we could keep going until we reach a whole number, but we'll just leave it there at 2 decimal points in. So 0.16 is our decimal. To calculate 0.16 as a percentage, all we have to do is move our decimal point 2 spaces to the right, and we have 16%. Let's see if you can do the following on your own, and then we can pop it into a graph.